Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn how to make money online. There are many ways to make money online, and the best option depends on your skills, interests, and resources. Here are some popular methods. Freelancing. If you have skills in areas like writing, web development, graphic design, or social media management, you can offer your services as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Online surveys and market research. You can sign up for websites that pay you to participate in surveys, such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research. Selling products online. You can create an online store to sell physical or digital products, or use marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy. Affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting other people's products and services through your website, blog, or social media platforms. Teaching or tutoring online. You can offer your expertise in a specific field by creating and selling online courses, or by tutoring students through platforms like Chegg or VIPKid. Investing. You can invest in stocks, cryptocurrency, or other assets using online brokerage platforms like Robinhood or Coinbase. Remember, making money online takes time, effort, and perseverance. Start by identifying your strengths and interests, and explore the options that align with them. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe my YouTube channel.